This is interactive pen display. This is look like your monitor with a touch facility. So for using this interactive pen display, you have to connect your system, either system or laptop. From your interactive pen display, it has to connect with your projector, mail projector launch, projector. Okay. So we require a basic thing three. One is interactive pen display, laptop or system, then projector. This is the mandatory things. Okay. And now once you connected your first you have to give a power source. Then secondly you have to connect laptop with your interactive pen display. Then third thing is you have to connect a USB port for communication signals. Okay. Once you connected, now you have a display from your laptop to interactive pen display. Now, so this pen is, it's a special pen. With this pen only you can able to do the touch sensitivity. Okay. Now you can use this pen as a mouse. You can use pen as a highlighter, pen mode, eraser mode. Now I am going to open any some file.
So if you want to open your computer, just with this special pen, you can just click on the double click on my computer. Just open any file. Just go to file. Open any, if you want to open any PDF or PPT, you can open any kind of files. Now I am going to open a PPT files. Where, so whatever displaying on your system, it is getting displayed on the interactive pen display also. So on the PPT, you can do the annotation. Like you can be able to mark it, you can highlight it, you can denote the particular picture, or if you want to highlight the particular sentence, that also can be highlighted. Now I am going to do some, I can do the erasing also. After writing it, you can do the eraser. Okay. If you want to clear entire page, you can also clear it. We have a highlighter too. With the highlighter, you can highlight the particular area, parts or text. And if you want to exit from the PPT, you can also exit. While exiting, it will ask you whether you want to keep the annotation or discard the annotations. Okay, whatever you want, you can do it. Same like your computer only. So now I have connected my interactive pen display with the projector. So every student can see the projection on the screen or TV, whatever it is. So as a teacher, he can control on the pen drive and he can able to see the student. So here you have a eye to eye contact. So now I am opening the virtual whiteboard software. With the help of pen, you can write on the virtual whiteboard. So you can create a number of pages. And you can here you can choose a pen color, pen thickness, everything can be done. And after you can create a number of pages. After creating 10 or 15 pages, you can save on your computer. So if you are coming tomorrow, you can retrieve the recorded file. You can showcase to your student. Okay. So this is how we have to do the writing, sir. This pen is look like a normal pen. See, now whatever I am writing, no, that can be displayed on the screen. So student can see the screen easily. So teacher or presenter no need to stand in front of the whiteboard screen. They can sit and do the presentation. So total computer control on your desk. See here some of the sample where you can draw a 2D shapes by default and 3D shapes by default. After giving the shapes, you can give a note also. This is onboard recording. Whatever you are drawing on the virtual mode, you can replay a number of times so that student who want to understand the particular subject, he can recall a number of times. See now after this is a simple diagram. Once you draw the diagram, I can replay once again. So they can learn from the scratch level how it's getting started, everything. This has got a mathematical tool like compass, protractor, ruler, everything is there. If you want to any draw any circle or something, you can just take the compass, just make a round, and you can also measure a dia also. If you want to rotate the protractor, that can be rotatable. And if you want to measure the circle, you can also measure the circle also. That measurement also can be seen on the ruler. Now I am going to take some 3D shape. Just select it and zoom it. If you want to rotate, you can also rotate it. And if you want to make a mark, you can just choose a pen mode. In between, if you want to play any video, you can also play video. If you want to stop it, you can also stop it. Now I'm choosing pen mode for do the annotation. And if you want to make a graph immediately, this has got a tool where you can fill the details and just click on it. You will get immediate graph. And if you want to exit here also, you can exit. Or you can save the file also, you can save it. Now I will give one more option where this is a screenshot. If you want to cut any area on the desktop, you can just cut the images and that can be pasted on the virtual whiteboard. Now just choose a pen mode and do marking on pages you brought from desktop. And it comes with some resource library where you have a chemistry, physics and biology. Now I'll do some sample on chemistry experiment. We have a lot of images. Just drag it and drop it and you can attach how do you want to give a laboratory equipment. This is how you have to do it. See, instead of mouse, you are using your pen. நிறைய ப்ராக்டிஸ் வேணும் உடனே பேச முடியாது கரெக்டாக இருக்காது நீங்களே வந்து கட் ஷாட் பண்ணிக்க
ஆ
சரியா? நீங்கள் ஃபுல்லாக கொடுக்கணும் அவசியம் இல்லை.